name is Sam Brazasco. I work for a company called Tabcorp. We are Australia's largest wagering and entertainment company with around 2,000 employees. I'm an employee communications partner, which means my job revolves around keeping our employees updated across everything that's going on in the business and engaging and building culture with different initiatives that we present to them. We realized we needed a new employee communications solution in around 2022. The company went through a demerger of a couple of different components of our business, and the need was really there for something fresh and exciting. We wanted to have our own new identity, and the legacy intranet platform that we were using didn't really fit that purpose. So that's where Staffbase came along and sort of filled that need, I suppose, for a fresh start. So the nature of our workforce at Tabcorp is very disparate. We have team members that work in a variety of locations. Some of them are technicians that are working out at hospitality venues. Some of them are on-course team members who work at racetracks. And that's not to mention just the office-based employees. So having a system that really allows them to connect not just across locations, but also across devices has been a really unifying experience for our people. What surprised me most was the way Staffbase was able to reveal just the level of achievement and activity going on within our business. So as a comms team, we've previously had to sort of beg, borrow, steal, really keep our ear to the ground for different stories to share with our people. And what Staffbase did was really allow our people to share these stories off their own bat. So we found ourselves now in an environment where we no longer had to really sniff these out, but it allowed us to shine a light on stories featuring our people that might otherwise have gone untold. At Tabcorp, we use the Staffbase email tool, the intranet and mobile application. So having been able to see how those three all complement one another and having our people be able to carry around Staffbase in their pocket has been incredibly valuable. If I could sum up the impact that Staffbase has had on our business in one word, it would be unifying. In future, we want to continue to embed Staffbase as our single point for employee communications. So rather than have our people have to navigate away from Staffbase to, say, fill out a form or to register to attend an event, or have them receiving emails done through Outlook that maybe look a little bit funky in terms of formatting, I think what Staffbase can do for us is create a single unifying experience, a holistic experience for our people when it comes to employee communications.